Yeah, in the basement, we're looking at a furnace coil replacement. We have room for the wide media filter, so we're going to bump this drop out 6 inches, so that works out good. We got a shut off for the gas, and then we have the electrics from conduit, so that's good. It's a 40-inch tall furnace, and then there is a liner. I can see the UL tag on it, so that's in good shape. Line set is just on the back. I'll come around from the back here. It's sized right, and it's actually running through and across a finished sealing space, so we'll flush that, pressure test it, and then charge it with a new refrigerant. As far as the drain's concerned, you can see it running along. Must be a drain. There it is, just right next to that laundry, so that's good. As far as access is concerned, it's not a walkout situation. Just going to put some floor coverings down. There's a stairwell with a little landing on it, and that'll take us out the back near the pool, and you can come down the side on the right side if you're looking at the street to get in and out. That's it.